A lot of activity going on down there. Yay!
You can get the idea of the height of those leaves.
Sure can. That's a fine fire. What? Oh my gosh, look at the water. I'm coming. Coming. Ah, boy. He hit a tap. He hit a tap. Sprung a leak. It's kind of yellow. Hey, Jim, it's kind of yellow. Well, I don't know. Taste it.
But I saw that, sludge coming out of there.
Ew.
Yeah.
Tree is tinkling. Isn't that something? Huh.
And this is just a branch of our old sycamore tree.
Oh, I got to tighten that again.
Yeah, it's all.
Yeah.
That's
I
loose.
probably didn't tighten that holding nut tight enough, but I'll just
Boy, it
adjust
just
it.
comes fruit out of there.
Yeah, it came way out when he first
Yeah,
hollered.
that was square way
Yeah.
out.
Shoot.
Oh, my. That was funny.
Good thing we
Is it
got
coming
that.
out the other side, too?
No, but I was shooting underneath the log a little bit as I started. Hopefully I got it.
Oh, yes, I think
Yeah, I
that,
think so. But
I mean, I got it.
I think that is rotting.
Is it, can you,
Uh-huh.
is it sticky, Jim? Can you, like-
no, it's like water.
so it's really very
I think
water-like.
it's just colored from the wood.
Wow.
I think it's just water.
But see the end of that? It looks like it's rotting. See?
But how did it get in?
I think, yeah, that's what I want.
Right here, probably. This is cracked
Oh, yeah.
here.
Huh.
But how did it get up in there?
Isn't that something? What is that tree?
Sycamore?
Is that a sycamore? You think?
It's a sycamore, isn't it?
It's that
Yeah.
smooth.
That's sycamore.
Yeah, it's that smooth bark and kind of
Yeah,
whitish.
Just like
Yeah,
this
it is
one
right
right
in
here.
here.
See? Jill, you just cut that one yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah, that's not. See?
Yeah, but look, something was on that last night.
Ew. Good thing we didn't sleep in our camp.
Yeah. Step back, you're
That's
in a shadow.
Bear
There,
poop.
see? And here?
Coon.
No, I think it's bear, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Looks
bear,
like-
yeah.
Bear
That'll be a
poop,
great big grizzly.
I'm sure. That was just cut and handled by Jim the Fifth.
Yeah, you just cut
last
that
night.
yesterday.
So we know it's fresh, ladies.
They
Yeah.
already pooped on it.
Flex. Yeah, let me zero in. Ooh.
You know, but that's a kind of a light tree. But it's still a big piece of wood.
Oh, mackerel, Andy. Poop and all, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the poops on his pants now.
Are you
Yeah.
kidding me? Can I pick that one up?
Yeah, Jim.
That'd be that one.
Yeah, wouldn't it?
Ready. Grrr. 3 in a row.
No problem, folks.
Pop goes the hernia.
Yeah, that's what I said to him.
Yes. Boom. Feel the ground shake.
What might be going to be our seats to set up?
Ah. Grandma says those are our seats. Papa bear, Mama bear, baby bear.
Yeah. You'll have to make it a little bit straighter for me,
Yeah.
because I'm fussy. But that's not too bad, really.
Ah, it's an excellent seat.
Let it rot out in the center and it'll become a toilet.
Oh, that's
What,
a
Jim?
better idea.
I said let it rot out in the center and it'll become a toilet.
Yeah. That sounds like a great idea.
Now this is the way you do it without spilling anything.
Okay.
I
Let's,
put oil in one hole and gasoline in the other hole. And if you're real careful, you can fill it without running it over. Now this is how you do it. Tip it up until the gasoline flows. Oh, you quit right after you run, right after it's full. That's when it's time to quit.
time to tip it back, right?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
That's what you get for showing off.
Looked okay to me?
You did bring another plant.
Yes. Oh, was it sitting over there?
Yeah.
I thought you said you found it.
No, I thought I did too.
You were talking about something else, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah, I carried that with me with the camera.
This time, yeah. That's right, we had 3 walnuts.
Got a little boogie. That's not how I saw you do it earlier. But- well, we're in the woods.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go back and get some more seeds. I see my battery light is flashing now, and it's going to go out shortly.
Don't we want to mark on there with the pen what kind of tree that is? Or?
Sure, why don't you do that? Oops.
That's right.
I'll
Smells walnut.
Sure it isn't W-A-L-L-N-U-T-T.
Give me a W, give me an A, give me an A.
Okay, I'm marking this walnut,
Sure enough is.
and that's what that says, is walnut.
Beautiful
Good.
writing it is, too, by golly.
And there's the walnut tree.
Ta-da.
And we got another walnut tree over here. Oh, I'm gonna mark. Oh, I thought I stuck on it.
Jim, is that the tree underneath your foot there?
Yeah, we're gonna mark this walnut.
2 walnuts.
2 walnuts. We like walnut trees.
That's Jim, 2 walnuts to bolt.
This is Walnut Lane.
No comment.
I got 4 nuts and 2 of them are wall.
Now, Jim.
Oh, boy.
Okay, there's Grandpa relaxing. He's using one of those fresh stumps there. I don't think it's a hollow stump.
Oh, with all the natural resources down here, we can make our own furniture.
Look at that, folks. That's great. And of course, Grandma's never more than 10 feet from the fire.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think that's enough.
I think that gets quite a bit on.
I
If
think they get the idea of what we're doing.
yeah,
Yeah,
maybe when we get the horses out later, we could take some from
Yeah.
horseback.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sign off.
10-4.
And 4.
Over and out.
Bye.
Over and out. Bye for me. Bye-bye. Yo, Jim! No dead bodies. Wow. Fantastic.